Facebook. Not real sure I can get people invited in while I'm driving. But about to call this cat back. We wrote a delinquent tax list out of Van Zant County. Van Zant County is out in East Texas. We used our standard foreclosure letter because it was delinquent taxes. So anyways, I'm going to call these folks back. They are always angry because there's no pending foreclosure, so they don't know why I'm sending them a letter that says I can stop their foreclosure. We get a tremendous callback rate on these because of the confusion that they cause. Let me invite some people. Get my rich homies in here. Get them in here. Line them up. Okay. So, sending out some invites. Put it back in its holster. Anyways, this guy, I did listen to the voicemail this time. I normally don't listen to the voicemail. I like going in blind. But this gentleman says he's not being foreclosed on. He is the one doing the foreclosing. So call him back if I'm interested in the property. This is going to be somewhere in East Texas. I have no idea what this guy's going to say. But we'll see what he's got going on. Hope everybody's having a blessed Monday. It's dinner time. Perfect time to call people back.
Hello.
Yes, sir. My name's Corey Thompson. I wrote you a letter about your foreclosure. You called me back and left a voicemail and said you were the one doing the foreclosing.
Yeah. I was just trying to figure out how you got me as the one being foreclosed off.
Yes, sir. I was. We wrote that it was a delinquent tax issue. We pulled the delinquent tax list out of Van Zant County. Is that where this property is located?
Oh no, it's in Kaufman County.
Kaufman County. Oh, even better. Yeah. So you're the one doing the foreclosing. That was a appointment of substitute trustee. So it looks like she looked up the wrong person on the list. So
Oh, okay.
That's even better.
Well, I wouldn't even bother contacting him. He owed me about $275,000. He's in Florida, so he's long gone.
Okay.
Nita? Yeah.
Well,
so he's lost cause.
Okay. Well, so what do you want for the property?
Okay. Well, you know what? I think I've got a buyer. I actually had a buyer at the foreclosure, and he offered me more than I'm going to sell it for, but and he had a cashier's check, but he was made out to himself. My attorney told him that he needed to bring the money in, made out to, I don't know, either him or me, the attorney, by 3:30 that day of the foreclosure. And he called me about 2:45, and he says, I said, are you the one that bought at the sale or wanted to buy? He said, yeah. I said, well, he said, I'd like to talk to you about what it means. I said, no, you should have done your due diligence. I said, before you went bidding on that property. I said, because you got to have that money by 3:30 today. And so, you know, he's a possibility later on if it comes to that, but I don't know if this is going to be really a good buyer or not.
Well, we're good buyers.
Are you? Well,
yes, sir.
I'll tell you what, it was a convenience store that I've had since 1985. One of the guys, the last guy I sold it to, he had it put in the city before the city went wet. And the guy that's buying it owns a liquor store not too far from it, and he's going to put a liquor store in. And I can assure you it's going to be a dynamite location. So I will keep your number in the event. You know, I've already made a deal. Not on paper, but I've kind of made a deal with him as far as what I will take. So I pretty much like to do what I say I'm going to do, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I completely understand.
But I'll tell you what, I will keep your number, and if it falls through, I mean, and I didn't even ask for any money down because I'm not really worried about it, because if it comes down to it, you know, I'm 69 and I don't want to do any more business. I'm done. But if it comes down to it, I'll just put them myself unless I got a buyer that wants to buy it. Okay.
Well, what else you got lying around since you don't want to mess with anything? We might take it all off your hands.
Well, you know what? I just sold a nice lake house, and I'm carrying a note on it for. I think he owes me $425,000, and it's got 3 lake lots and a house. But the problem is, I didn't get a real high interest rate. I got 3.45 and or 3.43, whatever it is. And he's going to be real good, and he's already putting some money in the place. So I don't want it back, but if I got it back, it wouldn't break my heart. You know what I'm saying? Do you buy notes too?
Well, I don't buy 3% interest notes, but we can always make an offer. We'll look at anything you got, but I mean, if you got anything else you want to sell, owner finance, please consider us. We'll owner finance everything you got. We'll buy it all from you.
I'll tell you what. I've got 11 and a half acres behind the store, but it's not in the city limits. The store is, and it's on 1 acre. But I had a little hard deal last year, and I've kind of been decided to get rid of most of my property because my wife, I don't want to get stuck with stuff. So I'll tell you what, I just bought a new car, and we're fixing to go eat. Why don't you, I'm going to try to remember to put your name in here. We're going to be here in just a minute. If you can hang on a minute, I'll write your name down. I got something to write down. You're out of Cisco. Where's that at?
No, I'm out of Groesbeck, Texas. I'm out of a little town down by Waco. These.
Oh, by Waco.
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay.
sir. When we write these letters, we use a bunch of different phone numbers to keep track of where our marketing dollars are going and coming. So.
Okay. Let me hang on. I'm just about here. I'm in traffic. I got this new car on the way.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Hang on. Is it through the law now since you're not supposed to talk on a cell phone? Are you familiar with that law?
Yeah, I use hand free, so I'm always on my Bluetooth over the car stereo.
Well, I normally do, but since I just got this car, I'm not real. I know it's set up, but I answered it on my phone here. Hang on, I'm fixing to be here. Going the back way. I hope I get to it. Let's see. Hang on, just that. I'm going to Phoenix here, and I'm in Grapevine right now, but my store is in Maybank. Which you know what Maybank is?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Okay. Yeah, it's near Athens. You know Athens and all that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My family's from up in Canton, and I live down in Groesbeck. So.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, that's pretty close.
Yes, sir.
Canton's just not too far from the store, matter of fact. Hang on, I'm fixing this. Hang on just a minute. Let me put the phone down, okay? Just a sec.
Okay.
Hang on, my wife's not getting my directions here. You there?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay. Hang on, I'm backing in now. Okay, let me get my piece of paper here. Right on this piece of paper. Okay. What's your name again?
Corey Thompson.
Corey?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Corey Thompson? Okay. You know what? I don't know if I still have that piece of paper there or not. Give me your number. It's on my phone, but let me write it down.
Okay, I'm going to give you my direct cell number.
Okay.
It's 979.
979?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
777.
Okay.
5378.
5378? Okay. You know, I look for somebody to go in with me, partners on it as a silent partner, maybe a silent partner, which there's something like that.
1,000%.
Would you really?
Yes, sir. Always. We
Okay.
we got this belief that we can partner to prosperity. So we'll look at anything.
Okay. Well, I'll make a note. Interested in. Today's the 18th. Okay, I got all my paperwork here on my car, and I know I won't lose that. So I got you down, and we'll. I think what if anything comes up, he hit me Saturday with. He wanted to know if I was going to help him pump the gas out of the tank. There's only like 400 gallons in there, and I said, you know, I could use the store was Andrea's, and we've had a really good relationship. I've talked to him maybe about 10 times over the last couple of months about this store, and I think we're going to get along just fine. But if we hit a hitch, I'll definitely be calling you.
Yes, sir. And don't forget about me on that
Okay.
11 acres either, if you want to make a deal on it.
Okay. Oh, okay, on the 11 acres too? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, Corey. Nice talking to you. My name's Terry Donnell.
Thank you, Terry. And I'm going to save your number too.
Okay. We'll holler at you later.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right. Bye-bye.
Did y'all hear that shit? He gave a 3% interest rate on an owner finance house on the lake for $400,000. No money down, $0 down. If you buy that owner finance with no money out of your pocket, $400,000 house, okay, at 3% interest, that's $1,686. I know it's backwards, y'all can't see it. $1,686. If you turn around and owner finance it on a dollar for dollar and wrap the mortgage that he gave you at 6% interest, which is bank rates, you're looking at $700 a month cash flow. $700 a month cash flow plus whatever down payment they bring to the table. So let's say, anyways, if they bring $10,000, $20,000, that's going into your pocket. He gave them to him on 0 down, and now he's entered into a verbal deal on a gas station with a gentleman who might not go through. Sounds flaky as hell. I don't know shit about running a gas station. I don't know if a gas station's a deal or not, but I do know this. If I can owner finance it from him, I can owner finance it to an end buyer who does. Wedge myself in the middle. He won't have to worry about getting his payment. We get the payment. We make money on the interest rate spread. If there's some equity, we can jack it up. And then on the flip side of that, he's got 11 acres that's right behind it. And if y'all know me at all or pay attention to anything that we do, we are mobile home park guys, storage unit guys, whatever kind of guys we can make it. So I have every intention of following up with this gentleman right here off a letter lead. Now, the lesson from this is I could have just got off the phone. I could have said, hey, thanks, sorry about that, whatever. But I didn't. I kept him talking, kept asking questions, told him we'd buy everything he's got. As soon as he said he was 69 years old, he sounds way younger than that. But as soon as he said he was 69 years old, my ears perked up because I know when I get that age, all of my shit's going to be going into Emery's name or down the road, something, because I ain't going to be fucking with it no more either. So I hope y'all learned something from that. That's why these warm calls, that's why I like recording them, because there are days like this. I mean, I got on the phone with a man one day, he tried to give me $1 million. I wish I'd have had that camera rolling the day that happened, because then I could scroll back and get his number again. At the time, I didn't know what to do with his $1 million, but today I do. And that phone call back then came off of a sign that I put on the side of the highway, which is why I love those things. So anyways, all of that being said, I hope y'all got some value out of this. I don't really have any more calls to make. I kind of knew this guy was going to be on there. I knew he was going to be looking to sell. That's why I wanted to get this one on tape. The rest of them are probably bunk-ass people just wanting to cuss me out. So anyways, like the video, share the video. Please invite people to the group that are looking to get in real estate. That's all I'm going to say. I got to call Jacob and tell him about this deal, even though he might be watching. So anywho, I'll holler at y'all. If anybody wants to partner with me on a gas station, slide in the DMs. Later.